Hello students! Today we are going to create a simple 3D platform game using Unity. The project files I'll be using can be downloaded through the link in the description below. When you first open the first-person Bootstrap project, you'll see a bunch of folders here at the bottom. We'll first go to the Scenes folder to open the Bootstrap scene. Different scenes can hold different assets, which can be used for dividing your game into different levels. Now go back to the Assets folder and go to the Prefab folder. Here, we'll first drag the Project 1 starter and the first-person character on top of the platform. The Project 1 starter assets already contain the game reset area, so we don't need to add that separately. If you look here at the Project 1 starter, there's a timer script, which is a code that detects time from moving from the starting platform to the ending platform. Since this is already coded, we'll use this to create a goal-reaching game. Let's first separate the ending platform further away, so we can give space to add extra platforms and obstacles between the starting platform and the ending platform. Feel free to copy and paste the platforms to save time. We can also create an empty object to separate which platforms represent which object. For the obstacles, which are going to be the boxes, we're going to change the scale so that they look more like a box-shaped object. You can do that through the scale tool over here. This looks more like a game, but it's pretty dull, right? We can add different materials or textures to the objects. Simply click on the object, and here in the mesh renderer, you can see that there's a material assigned to the object. Currently it is floor mat, but we will give the small crate material, which will make it completely look like a box. You can select multiple objects if they have the same mesh renderer, and then assign it at the same time. You can also add or delete light for the objects and platforms. To make the level more difficult, we can delete the directional light over here, which will darken the view. For the level to be completely dark, we can go to Window, Rendering, Lighting, and remove the skybox within the environment. Simply click None to remove it. This part is still blue, which means we gotta edit the main camera. Note that there's a separate main camera which is created in default. We'll not be using this since the first person character already has a main camera. You can select here on the inspector to not use it. You can change the skybox color here. And now we can see nothing. Now we can add lights that point the craters, which will make it possible for players to see where they have to move. We'll be adding spotlights for this very occasion. Feel free to change the intensity, spot angle, and range in order to make your objects visible. Finally, we'll add a dummy model, as it will look more natural to have a human walking instead of a capsule. You can download several assets from the Unity Asset Store. Here, I've already imported a dummy model that has basic motions. For now, we'll just apply the model to the mesh filter. We can go over applying animations in the next video. And we are set. We created a game in less than 10 minutes. Hopefully you won't shy away from Unity after today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.